Busbar. Busbar feed from LV panel 1. This is a Tapoff box. 225 ampere Tapoff box. Feed from Busbar 1. Okay. To SMDB 5. It's going to SMDB. This is the cable, outgoing cable. The 5th floor SMDB, this one. This is the Tapoff inside. You can see this is the Tapoff box. If you tap it, RYB, and this is the isolator. Okay. This is a breaker, and RYB. It's going to SMDB. It's going to SMDB. 5th floor SMDB. Okay, and after the SMDB it's going to energy meter. Now energy meter installation going on. You can see this is the cable from the SMDB, and this one is going to flat. Okay, we are termination going on. This is the energy meter. Okay, this one SMDB 5th floor. This is the voltmeter, and we can change to supply to neutral, and R and N, Y N, B N, like this we can change. Okay, and also RY and YB also we can check. This is the ammeter for the red line, red, phase red, and phase yellow, and phase blue. Okay, open the SMDB. Okay, this is already dressing finish. You can see this one is the 40 ampere MCCB. It's feeding to all flat. We have a 10 flat in typical floor. Okay, you can see this is a 501, 502, 503, like this. Okay, this is the isolator. This is the feeding from Busbar 1. Okay, 250. Okay, and this is the small busbar for the neutral, and this one small busbar for earth. Okay, here we have a one busbar, and it's connected to isolator. It's outgoing to the energy meter by trunking. You can see this is the trunking, and going to the energy meter. This is the 506. Same we have 507, all flat. We're going to termination, dressing, going for energy meter. Okay, thanks.